Hey, quick little video on how to replace the Schrader valve here. If you're not familiar with it, Schrader valve is a really cool little device here that allows you to fill and recover, etc. Basically an access port for servicing your AC. So this is the high side, that is the low side. So as you can hear, we got some bubbles. Schrader valve is leaking. So this vehicle came in, had no AC. Well, charged it up a little bit, realized that, well, the reason there's no AC is because we have a leak here. Check the system, no other leaks. So we're gonna replace this thing real quick. This is a cool little device here that I purchased in a really nifty little kit that is so you can service these valves without having to take the system completely down. In other words, without having to evacuate, recover, recharge, etc. So, really cool to do. Just slap this, make sure the valve's closed. Slap this thing on here, make sure it's connected really well. Stick your little valve core remover tool down in there. Make sure she's sealed up really nice and tight. Open this little guy up. Boop. Stick this down here. Feel it. It's a game of feel. So we're taking the Schrader valve out. Whoop, and there we go. Going to shut this valve off so it locks the pressure into here. We're going to release a little bit because it's going to have a little bit of pressure left on it. And, well, lo and behold, she didn't come all the way out. It happens from time to time. Usually if you just let it blow it straight up, it'll do that, like that. Now let's see if it is going to cooperate. Yes, it is. Okay, so these little Schrader valves, you can tell the issue with this one here is, I don't know if you can see on this right here or not, but the actual Schrader valve itself is bent. So we're going to be replacing this. It looks very similar to a Schrader valve on a tire, where the service port on your tire is. So, got a cool little kit from FJC, love these guys. And the Schrader valve looks just like this little fella here. So we're going to be replacing that one. We'll put the old one right here, just kind of hang on to it for safekeeping. We're going to put this dude back in here. Very gently, because, well, we don't want to drop it down in there and have to fish it out with a magnet later. Not easy, not fun. So now we're pushing the Schrader valve down in there, screwing it into place. And again, the game of feel. Feels tight. We're going to shut that. Here's a little access port to relieve the pressure. And now we're going to relieve pressure, and lo and behold, do a little test. No leaky. She's fixed. Good to go. Hope this helps.